Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you my VS Code setup for competitive programming. So first thing is you need to create a custom template. So I use this custom template. What custom template is, you can name any line of a code by the name of your choice. For example, in this line, what it does it get the unique elements from the vector. So to do this, I have to just type get unique and pass the vector in it, and it will return the unique elements in the vector. So these are very useful. For example, this display array. So to print the elements in the vector, I just have to type display v and it will print all the elements in the vector. And this is also very useful, like it is to take input in the vector. For example, like if I define a vector with the size and I have to take n elements in it, and that's it. So it will take n elements from the input stream and store it in the array, right? And like instead of typing this again I can use all v and it will do the same. So these custom files are very useful and it avoid you from typing unnecessary codes. So you can create your own custom file or you can use mine. I will add a link to my custom template in the video description. This is my main program, like this is the main template I use. So in this I use this header.h, like it's include all these headers, and I use a precompiled version of this. So this is the precompiled version. When I compile this program, instead of recompiling the headers again, so it use the precompiled header. So in case you like to use precompiled header, I have created a separate video on it. You can watch it. I will add the link to the video in the video description. So another useful thing is code snippet. So for example, I need to add this sparse table data structure in my code. So I have to type sparse table. A prompt will come up, and on return the data structure will be added in the code. Like for example, I have to add segment tree in my code. So I just have to type segment tree. A prompt will come up and you have to hit enter and it will add segment tree in your code. Like to use code snippet, press Ctrl P, type greater than and type snippets. Now click on the first option, configure user snippet, and click on new snippet files. Now you have to type the name of the template file. So I'm going to say YouTube template, right? Now a file will be created. So what you like, for example, you want to add the snippet for this sparse table. So you have to copy the code and open your browser, go to snippet generator.app. Now click over here and paste the code you have copied. Over here mention what the code is all about. This is sparse table, so I'm going to say sparse table, right? And I will now you have to type the trigger word, so I'm going to say sparse shortcut. Now it's done. So you have to copy this snippet, copy it, and go to your VS Code, open the template we have just created, template file we have just created, and paste it in that file. That's it, your code snippet is ready. So to use it, just type sparse, like the trigger word sparse shortcut, and a prompt will come. Just hit enter and it will add sparse data structure in your code. So you can use it. You can also use to create the snippet of your starter file. So I just have to type new to, and a prompt will come on new to, and I just have to type like hit enter and it will add my starter code in the file, right? Another useful thing is using input output, like it's taking input from input file and output in the output file. So as you can see, these are the input files I use. So what it does is it takes input your program. When you run your program, it will take input from input file and put the output in the output file. So how it is useful, it give, like as you can see, everything is one window and you can access your input and output, and you can change your test cases if you want to debug your program or if you want to test your program on different test cases. Another thing is extensions. So there are a few extensions I use, which is first is C++, sorry about that. So first is C++. It give, like the intelligence of C++ is very useful. Sometimes you have a syntax error and you don't able to figure it out. So you hover it over and intelligence will suggest what it expected and what it is given. So it's very useful to debug your code and to make it syntax free. Another extension I use is Code Runner. It is just to run the code. So this was my simple VS Code setup for competitive programming. Give a like to this video and subscribe to the channel, and thank you all for watching. Have a great day.